All right, here we have a Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital. Illumination presents Dr. Seuss The Grinch. It includes 3 mini movies, front, side, and the back. I think we should open it up. What do you think, buddy?
Good idea.
All right, let's do it. Get that old wrapper off there. Keeps it nice and clean. All right, let's crack her open. Ooh, look at that insert. And look, green disc to match the Grinch, right?
Yeah, that's a DVD and a Blu-ray.
And a Blu-ray, you're right. All right, this one's ready for the collection shelf.